Well, today I have my 2017 John Deere Gator. It's an 860i. Its battery went dead and it won't take a charge, so I got to replace it. And today I'm going to show you the steps and tools you will need to replace the battery. So the tools I'll be using is my impact with a star tip. I got this 90 degree. It's really nice to reach around hard places. I got a socket wrench with extension and a 10mm socket. I'm also going to be using a crescent wrench for the battery terminals and a tin just to keep all the screws and hardware so they don't get lost. Okay, the first step is to locate the battery. Mine is actually on the passenger side here, down underneath the seat right there. So to access this, there's 12 screws that hold this side panel on. This side panel has to come off to remove the battery. So the 12 screws, there's one here, a couple here, all the way along. Just find them. Just know that mine has 12, and there's a couple of them here that have washers on them. Here, let me move that. And a couple more screws right here. So 12 in all. We'll be removing this first. After I do that, I'll get back with you and let you know the next step. Alright, I got the side panel off here. It kind of wedges out in some places around. The next step is going to be obviously disconnect the battery, and I'll be using the crescent wrench for that. So as soon as I get the battery disconnected, I'll let you know the next step. Alright, we got the battery out. Everything's looking good. Here's our tin with all our hardware. I need to obviously run to town to get a new battery so I can use my core charge. But I will be back with you after I do that. Okay guys, I just got back from town. It's the next day, but here's the new battery. And all we're gonna do is do reverse order, basically put the battery in the cradle. I vacuumed out the tray just because it got some debris in there and stuff and wouldn't let the battery sit flat. But we'll put the harness back on to keep it snug down there, and then we'll attach the wires and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I got the battery back in there. All the wires and terminals look good. I'm going to go ahead and just put the side panel on because I know for a fact it was my battery that was giving me the problem. If you aren't sure, obviously, you could try to start it now or just see if you got power. But like I said, I'm pretty confident mine's there. So I'm going to go ahead and put the side panel back on, and I'll let you know when it's time to fire up. Alright guys, moment of truth. Looks like I have an audience. There's all the deer. John Deere, waiting for it to start. Hasn't started in a little bit, but there she is. New battery, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Comment down below if you'd like to start a discussion or any tips or tricks that I could have done differently. And thanks for watching.